Hi, I'm Ashton, and today we'll be unboxing the 117 model, and we'll be going over some of the features and what you can expect with this range hood. When you unbox this range hood, you can expect all the installation items to be together. You'll have your power cord, your instruction manual with some hardware, and the mounting bracket. The power cord can just be plugged in here right at the top, and the mounting bracket is placed right here on the range hood. This range hood has a 7-inch round opening. Make sure your ductwork can fit this size. What you can expect with this model is a dual blower with 900 CFM, 2 LED lights, and then a touch control panel with a 4-speed control. As you can see, I've already unboxed the filters and took off the protective film on the front. They're really easy to install. All you need to do is hold on to the 2 knobs, push down, and then release, and then they slide right in like that. The 117 is one of our smallest hoods at 9 inches tall, but it still packs a powerful punch with its 900 CFM and dual blower. The LCD touchscreen is really easy to use and very sensitive to the touch. So this is what you can expect when you unbox the 117 range hood. Comment below and let us know your favorite features, and give us a call if you have any questions while you're installing.